Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix your iPhone microphone is not working and how we can fix this app. So we directly get into a step. So there is only one solution that can try, and that is going to fix the issue. Now on your case, that's all about. You just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to navigate to general. Now from here you have to scroll down and you have to scroll down and navigate to transport or reset iPhone. Now from here go for reset, and from here you have to go for reset all settings. And once you do this, you have to keep in mind you will not be losing any kind of data. Instead, a few things like home screen layout will be changed, and if you're already connected to your Wi-Fi, that will be lost, so which means you have to reconnect it back, and afterwards you have to check. So this particular step is going to fix the issue regarding the microphone is not working. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.